Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extra, extraordinary.
Hey you guys, so this is gonna be the last update for this video on my Zebrina plant. Let me see if I can, because this is moving a lot. Okay. Oh, you guys, I got this new ring light, and I am so happy with it. It is so bright in here. It is it's around 4 p.m. December 3rd, I think it is. I have lost track of time, y'all. But anyways, it is getting dark outside, but this ring light, oh my gosh. And I actually got it for $25, so it's a 10-inch selfie light, ring light, sorry, from the brand Lax. And I got it for $25 because it was on sale on Rulala. So yeah, so I'm very happy with it. Now this is gonna be the last update. It has been a few days, a week or so, I guess. I'll mark the date here. But as you can see, first of all, let's check this out. I propagated these in water. As you can tell, these were very small and now they're big. Look at all this growth. Look at this. They're growing. They're big, right? And they are growing new offshoots. I think that's the correct term to use in this case. Let me see. Okay, there we go. You guys can see right here. We have new ones here. We have this one here, bro. We have this one here. This one. We have this one. This one. We have this one here just growing. Let me see, you guys. Look at this one right here. And look at this one right here and this one right here. And then if you guys can see, I think you can, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Because there we go. We have this one here, and then we have this tiny one here. So, so as you can see so far, this is really, it's very easy to take care of this plant. It's very easy to propagate it. As I stated before, and as you guys saw, I just started with 3 pieces that came off of my mother's Zebrina plant. And I propagated them in water. I think I started seeing like really good results in like a month. By the first month, the roots were very long and strong. And then I planted them in soil, and you know, from there, I kept them on a windowsill, gave them plenty of sun, not enough sun that it would burn it, but enough that it would get high light. And I would water it when the first inch was dry. So I would insert my finger. Now, I'm going to keep doing the same thing. Just because I want this to be full, and I want this to be like, I want this to like be very full and I want them to start trailing down so I can hang them up, right? But for now, they're gonna stay in this pot. So I'm gonna continue propagating more that either fall off or that I cut. I was going to wait until some of these got bigger. You see? Oh, and then yeah, that one right there. So there's a lot of them growing. But this one was actually the biggest one. This one, let me see. Yeah, this one was actually the biggest one, and this fell. Ugh, I don't even know how it happened, but so as you can see, this actually just happened today. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the same thing over again. I'm going to place this one in water and then just do the same thing I did with the other ones. I'll change the water every so often. And if any more fall off from mine, or if any of the other ones get bigger, I'm just going to cut them off because I want at least, before I plant more, I want 3 new ones. I want 3 cuttings in here. So I'll just continue to put them in water, and once they develop roots, I'm gonna plant them in here. So yeah, this is basically how you propagate Zebrina from cuttings. And you know, just a reminder that I did start this with only 3 cuttings from my mother's plant. One of them had fallen off the day that I purchased it for her. So I decided to like start this little project, and it's been bountiful so far. I'm hoping that these will keep growing and that none of the branches actually break from the top, because I want them to be long, okay? So yeah, so we'll see. I'm gonna leave that like that for now. But let me know if you guys have any questions. As I said before, it's very easy to take care of these. Just water. Once the top inch is dry, insert your finger. Make sure to have it by a windowsill. Do a trial and error, because sometimes, you know, it might not like the window that you put it in. I used to have it here on this, like, with the other trees, the other plants that you guys see, you see? But I have it on my other window, and it seems to like that side better. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions, any tips, any tricks, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.